Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini excavators on the market, perfect for construction, landscaping, and various digging tasks. If you're looking for power, versatility, and ease of use in a compact design, you're in the right place. We'll break down the top models, their features, and what makes them stand out for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to find the ideal mini excavator for your needs, let's get started. Number 5. JINERFENG Hydraulic Mini Excavator Machine. If you are in the market for a reliable, compact, and efficient hydraulic mini excavator, the JINERFENG models, XT10 Pro and XT18U, offer excellent value. These machines combine power, versatility, and eco-friendly design, making them perfect for various small to medium excavation tasks. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these mini excavators are designed to meet a wide range of needs. The XT10 Pro and XT18U models come equipped with either the Lidong 385 or Kubota D902 engines, which are both compliant with EPA Euro 5 emission standards. This ensures that the machines operate with minimal environmental impact, a crucial factor for those working in eco-sensitive areas or under strict emissions regulations. Number 4. Nicosail Mini Small Excavator. For those seeking an efficient, budget-friendly solution for small-scale excavation tasks, the Nicosail Mini Small Excavator is an option worth exploring. Designed specifically for garden and farm applications, this 2-ton mini excavator delivers reliable performance, energy-saving features, and solid durability, all at competitive factory-direct prices. Despite its compact size, this mini excavator is packed with enough power to handle a range of smaller jobs efficiently, making it a great tool for farmers, landscapers, and homeowners looking for an affordable excavator. A key selling point of the Nicosail mini excavator is its energy-saving technology. In an era where reducing operational costs and environmental impact is crucial, the Nicosail Mini Digger excels. Number 3. Vogt China Factory Mini Crawler Excavators. If you're looking for a compact, efficient, and affordable mini excavator, the Vogt China Factory Mini Crawler Excavator is worth considering. Designed specifically for home and garden use, this 1,000 kilograms excavator offers a powerful performance packed into a small, easy-to-transport machine. Its multifunctional capabilities, compact dimensions, and cost-effective pricing make it an ideal choice for a variety of small-scale digging and landscaping tasks. One of the standout features of the Vogt Mini Crawler Excavator is its compact size, allowing it to easily navigate narrow passages and doorways. This is particularly useful for home and garden projects, where access to tight spaces is often required. Number 2. Nicosail 2-ton Rubber Track Excavator. The Nicosail 2-ton Rubber Track Excavator is an excellent option for those looking for a compact, durable, and fuel-efficient mini excavator. This machine is perfect for farm applications, offering powerful performance while meeting stringent EPA, CE, and Euro standards. With its energy-saving features, robust engine, and flexible design, the Nicosail Rubber Track Excavator delivers top-notch functionality for various small to medium-scale digging tasks. One of the main highlights of the Nicosail 2-ton excavator is its engineered rubber tracks, which offer flexibility and durability. The rubber tracks make this mini excavator ideal for farm use, as they can move smoothly over various terrains, including muddy, uneven, and sensitive surfaces, without causing damage. This ensures that the excavator can perform efficiently on farms, gardens, or any small construction sites where minimal ground disturbance is needed. Designed with energy conservation in mind, this excavator is equipped with energy-saving technology, which reduces fuel consumption while still delivering robust power. With its 20 HP engine, the Nicosail excavator provides ample power for demanding tasks, such as digging, trenching, and material handling. At the same time, its fuel-efficient performance ensures lower operational costs, making it a budget-friendly choice for farmers and small business owners. Number 1. Nicosail 1-ton Garden Mini Excavator. The Nicosail 1-ton Garden Mini Excavator is an excellent solution for homeowners, farmers, and landscapers seeking a small, reliable, and easy-to-operate machine. This best-selling excavator is designed for light-duty tasks, making it perfect for gardens, small farms, and home improvement projects. With its compact design, robust engine, and user-friendly controls, the Nicosail Mini Digger delivers exceptional performance at an affordable price. One of the most attractive features of the Nicosail 1-ton garden mini excavator is its easy-to-operate design. It's specifically tailored for users who need a reliable, no-frills machine to tackle light construction or gardening tasks.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.